Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So today I will describe about a IoT based agricultural pond system. So in this system we used here a SMPS that was used here for make sure the power supply for our all components here, and we use here a Arduino Uno that was used for control our total system. And in left side we use here a pH sensor module, and this is the pH sensor. It will used for the measure the pH value of our water, and this is the controller of our air pump. This is the air pump. It will provide air production in our pond. And you see here that we use here a resistor base and a barrow board. Here we included a temperature sensor that was used here, a waterproof temperature sensor. It will be measure the temperature value of our water in our pond. So this is the temperature sensor. So in the next part we use here battery supply when our solar panel will be in damage or night mode. At that moment our battery will provide the battery backup. We used here a relay module. This relay module is used here for control our water pump. This water pump will provide water supply for our water pond. When our water level will increase in unexpectedly, at that moment we use here a bypass pipe to reduce that level of water. We used here more and more facilities. Just wait, I will describe step by step. So this is the LCD display, and LCD display will show the all details about this operation. And right side we use here a buck converter to make sure the power supply for our GSM module, because our GSM module is working on 3.3 volt to 4.4 volt. We use here a ultrasonic sensor to measure the water level of our piscicultural pond, and we make sure here a feeding system for our fishes, and we can control the system by using a LDR. When we will provide food here, and that time it will notify us that feed is available. You see here that we use here a turbidity sensor to measure the turbidity value of our water in this pond system. So this is the full overview of our project, and this solar panel is used here to produce required power for operating our total system. But you see here that we use here SMPS, because you know that this is just a demo project, and this project will show in a classroom. At that moment this solar panel can't provide required power for operating our total system. So you see here that GSM is used here, and this GSM will be connected with our network, and it will send the required notification to our smartphone to notify us. Now we make sure the power supply for our total system. You can see here that some report is showing here: water level, air pump condition, turbidity position, feed availability, and temperature. You can see here pH value also. So this is the first situation without the condition of sending notification. So after this part we add here a notification system. When our feed is not available, at that moment our system will be sent a notification to our smartphone or users. So you see here that air pump turbidity it's clear, and feed not available. So now our system will send a SMS to our smartphone by using this GSM module. So you can see to our smartphone, we can check our notification. So our notification is open now. So you see here that it's blur. Just wait. Feed not available. Feed not available. It's our recent message or notification, and there have 3 previous notification also. You see here that, and you see here that feed not available now, so it's recent message. We make sure the feed availability is available, so we can go for next step in temperature sensor. So when our temperature will be high temperature, at that moment our system will be locked and a notification about temperature will be sent it. So it's 53 degree Celsius temperature. So now we get the temperature notification. It will show the high temperature. Yes, we get the message. So this is the total procedure of our system. So thank you so much for staying with us for a long time.